Hey guys, welcome to Smith Auctions. Today we have February 12th's online industrial, commercial, and tool auction walkthrough. We got a lot of nice stuff for you today, so let's get started. First off, we have an off-road pallet jack to help you move stuff around your property a lot easier. And then to help move stuff around your shop, we have a Husky rolling cart that's unused. That's approximately 30 inches by 21.5 inches by 37.5 inches. Next up, we have an Artisan electric log splitter. Following that up, we have a set of Honda four-wheeler tires on 4-bolt rims. Moving to the back of the aisle, we have Artisan Castle Serenity pellet stoves. Staying in the back, we also have an air compressor that's 3 horsepower, runs on 115 volt, and works per seller. Moving to the front of the aisle, we have a 48-foot rebar semi-flatbed tarp. Next up, we have a table that's 120 inches by 48 inches by 36 inches on casters. Next up, we have a number of lots of assorted metal shelving of different widths and heights. Shifting to the front of the aisle, we have assorted tool belts and tool organizers. Moving a couple of pallets back, we have a Renzor model FE250 natural gas furnace that worked when it was removed. Looking to the back of the aisle, there's 3 garage doors, 9 foot by 8 foot, 2 garage door openers, and assorted track hardware. And then to finish off this aisle, we have a Chevy tailgate, bumper, Audi grill, and Harley Davidson fender. To start off this next aisle, we have 2 creepers and 3 work lights. Next up, we have 3 saddles with assorted tack. Moving to the back of the aisle, we have a Burnham furnace that's 60,000 BTUs and it works per seller. Next up, we have a titanium 120-240 MIG welder that works per seller. Right next to that, we have an Allis-Chalmers snap coupler 3-point hitch. Looking back to the front of the aisle, we have a Rockwell power miter saw that works per seller. We have 2 hay-filled windows that are approximately 26.5 inches by 71 inches that are unused. Next up, we have assorted patio doors and window screens that are unused. Staying focused on windows, there's also 4 assorted window panes that are unused. Looking on the table here, we have a net for hay round bales to keep your horses fat and happy. Next up, we have a Sears Craftsman 10-inch table saw that works per seller. Next up, we have 5 unused tires of different brands and sizes. You'll have to get online to check them out. Then along the back there, we have 10 lots of 4 metal barrels each with lids. After that, we have a tow behind sprayer and an ATV sprayer that are both untested. After that, we have a Craftsman portable air compressor that's 125 PSI and has a 3-gallon tank. After that, we have a WeatherTech 4-liner that fits a Kia Sportage 2014 to 2016. Next up, we have a Remington LP heater with tank that works per seller. Moving to the back of the aisle, we have a Hobart Beta MiG 250 CV power wire feed welder that runs on single phase 200 or 230 volt power. Looking to the front of the aisle, we have an Edersam Earthquake K32 chipper shredder. Right next to that is a metal table that's approximately 36 inches by 24 inches by 30 inches. Moving slightly to the left, we have a Vogelzang deluxe wood stove. After that, we have an engine block that the seller says came out of a 1972 to 76 Corvette. Moving to the back of the aisle, we have a Sears Craftsman drill press that works per seller. Then we have a number of different rolling carts if you need to move stuff around your shop in both plastic and metal. And the last thing we're going to cover in this section is an Atlas lathe that works per seller. After that, we have a 9 foot by 6 foot by 8 inch steel entry door that's unused with a black outside and a white inside. And then we have a wood grain fiberglass entry door that's unused. That's 54 inches by 96 inches. Then we have a white fiberglass entry door that's 69 inches by 99 inches. This one is also unused. And that's all we're going to cover for the February 12th online industrial, commercial, and tool auction walkthrough. So until next time, we'll see you online and happy bidding.